Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can receive crypto on Exodus. So first, I'm going to show you how you can transfer from Binance. So first you need to open Binance and click on your profile picture here on the top right. Once you click on that, this page will open and here you need to click on wallet and then you need to click on fiat and support. Once you click on that, this page will open and then you need to click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw button, this page will open and I'm going to show you how you can transfer. So first you need to add the Bitcoin and the address and the network and the amount that you want to transfer. And then you need to click on the withdraw. Once you click on that, here you can see an option of continue. You need to click on that continue button. And then on the next page, if you have a two-factor on, you simply need to add the two-factor code here and the authenticator code here and click on submit. Once you done that, your process will complete. So this is the process how you can receive crypto on Exodus. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.